Hey you guys, I hope you're all doing really great. And today in this video I'm going to share with you my current skincare routine, and I have all these amazing products from Pilgrim. So the first product that I'm going to share with you here is the Volcanic Lava Ash face wash, and it has white lotus and all these amazing ingredients. This is my second bottle. Actually, I have been really loving this. The monsoon weather has been really rough and my skin has become really dull, and sometimes we get so confused of what products to use. So this is a really easy combination of products to use, and I'm going to show you how you can actually include these products into your daily skincare routine. So I like to take that little drop I have showed you, and I like to really massage it into my skin until it disappears, and then I wash my face. And you don't really rub your skin into the towel. I have learned it the hard way. And then for the second product, I have this Pilgrim niacinamide and alpha arbutin skin clarifying serum. This comes in this glass bottle. It has 30 ml of product. It's priced at rupees 650, but mostly you will get these on sale on Nykaa and Amazon, also on Pilgrim. And what I love about this serum is that it is so lightweight and it disappears into the skin, but it's hydrating at the same time. So this particular serum helps in reducing all the acne scars and dark spots, and niacinamide helps to fade away acne marks, and alpha arbutin repairs the scars on your skin and prevents any future breakouts. So that's really great. I hope you guys also give this a try. For the next product, I have this oil-free moisturizer, and this is one of my favorites, and it has hyaluronic acid and willow bark, which are my favorite ingredient. It comes with this wooden little spatula which helps you to keep your product clean, and it's for oily and acne prone skin. I have been seeing a little bit of acne here and there on my skin, so I started using it again. This moisturizer is amazing because it is really hydrating. Also, it doesn't make my skin oily or greasy or anything like that. Don't clog your pores, and hyaluronic acid and glycerin really helps in moisturizing the skin. Willow bark soothes, and niacinamide minimizes the appearance of pores. I've been loving how smooth and glowing my skin looks every time I use this. So if you want to check them out, you can use my coupon code. I will put it here on the display. Also, you will find it in the description. All the links to the products will be in the description below. And also, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.